Today, we have something vibrant and delicious on the menu, bell peppers. But instead of a typical food tutorial, we're going to take you on a journey through their captivating history, incredible health benefits, and share some mouth-watering recipes along the way. So, let's dive into the colorful world of bell peppers. Our story begins in the heart of the Mediterranean, where bell peppers have a rich and fascinating history. They were first cultivated over 9,000 years ago by ancient civilizations. With their bright colors and sweet taste, they quickly became a favorite. Bell peppers were initially used for medicinal purposes due to their high vitamin C content. But as time passed, their culinary potential became apparent, and they spread across the globe. Now, let's talk about why bell peppers are not just delicious but also incredibly good for you. Rich in vitamin C, bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, boosting your immune system and promoting healthy skin. Low in calories, they are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Antioxidant powerhouse, bell peppers contain antioxidants like carotenoids, which help protect your cells from damage. Fiber rich, their fiber content aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Eating bell peppers regularly can do wonders for your health. But let's dive deeper into these benefits. It's time to satisfy our taste buds with some amazing bell pepper recipes. Stuffed bell peppers. We're starting with classic stuffed bell peppers. They're like a flavor explosion in every bite. Bell pepper and quinoa salad. For a healthy and refreshing option, try this bell pepper and quinoa salad. It's a perfect summer dish. Bell pepper pizza. Who needs a doughy crust when you can have a bell pepper pizza? It's gluten-free and delicious. Each color represents a different stage of ripeness and unique flavor profiles. Green bell peppers are less sweet and slightly bitter, while red, yellow, and orange peppers are sweeter and have a milder flavor. Bell peppers have traveled far and wide, adapting to different cuisines around the world. From Italy's famous pasta sauces to Mexico's vibrant fajitas, bell peppers add color and flavor to dishes across the globe. Italian bell pepper pasta. Discover the secret to making an authentic Italian bell pepper pasta that will transport your taste buds straight to Italy. Mexican stuffed bell peppers. Experience the bold flavors of Mexico with these stuffed bell peppers filled with seasoned meat, rice, and spices. Thai bell pepper stir-fry. A culinary journey to Thailand with this zesty bell pepper stir-fry featuring aromatic herbs and spices. Indian bell pepper curry. The exotic flavors of India with this rich and flavorful bell pepper curry that's a true taste sensation. And there you have it. Bell peppers, a journey from history to health to your kitchen table. We hope you've enjoyed this colorful adventure with us. Like, subscribe, and share. There are many more informative videos to come.